Boy. Hopefully this won't get copyright struck. Swear to God. Swear to God. All right, gaming gamers. So far, I'm not getting fucked, so that's nice. Oh boy, who was that? Hey, Babito. I'm a real gamer, so I joined. Good, good. Do you subscribe again, Babito? Oh, you already subscribed. Oh, damn. Yeah, real gamers only in here, okay? No fake gamers. Well, thank you for the subscribe. Appreciate it. So clearly, so like, we're doing some code shit today. Basically, we're gonna take. I mean, I'm already like kind of halfway through it, but we're gonna take all of this and put it in C++ because we don't do blueprints around here, right? Like, we only do blueprints for fucking, you know. Hey there, I'm a real gamer without a mic. I don't know. Does that make gamer? If you don't have a mic, dude, you can't Discord with other gamers. Hold on, I gotta turn on timestamps because it always turns it off. I don't know why. I always forget how to turn it on. What the fuck is it? Oh, okay. I always click on the wrong thing, I think. I have to click on these 3 dots. Users. No, maybe not. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. I just been working on this. Fake gamers entered the chat. How's it going? It's Ad Cyndia. Hopefully I said that right. Probably not, but... Is it chat appearance? It is chat appearance. Okay. That's what it is. Gosh, they like change it. All right. But so we kind of have this all already in here. Which I think is, you know, so we got our execute task right here, which is basically this. Goes all the way to there. And we got our other like helpers here. So now we're doing like the main tick, which is here. Oh, you can just call me add. Okay. All right, that's a little easier. But okay. So also like kind of an unrelated thing, but I think you know, it's the season now where mice are dying inside my walls. So it smells like fucking dead rat down here and I'm kind of mad. But you know what? What are you going to do? Okay. So where was I at? Okay, yeah, I was right here. So I need to know for correcting a path, which Are we doing that? Thought I did. Yeah, reroute. Successful reroute. No, we don't have one, I don't think. So, with that being said, we need to have... Oh, is correcting path. I renamed it. Okay. So, if we call this... correcting path, we want to set this to true. So what's the main reason why you're moving that to code to C++? Any hard clues that this will improve your performance by a lot? And we'll try to measure. I'm going to try to, yeah. Like, I had issues last time. Like, that's the thing. I had many issues last time with AI and, like, having, you know, things in Blueprint. Because, like, this is going to, all of this logic is going to be on a tick. And, like, it can work. But, as, you know, there's going to be tons of enemies on screen at once. And it's just going to be better. And plus, I'm kind of preferring C++ at this point, or at least for main core logic. So it's another reason why I'm doing it. But yes, I'm hoping that it'll improve performance. That's what I'm hoping. Because I was having problems with it last time. So we'll see. Okay, so we need to check if we're correcting a path. So if is correcting path. Okay, then we need to check. Why are we getting the last index? Last index acceptance radius. Oh, because we're checking. Okay, I get it. Okay. So if we're correcting the path, we need to compare. Probably shouldn't do this all in one if node or if statement, but kind of want to. So yeah, how are we gonna have that error tolerance with this? All right, well, you know what? We'll just do this. So we'll get the character location, actor owner. Whoops. Get character location. Owner. Then wait, why is whoops. To put F vector here. Real gamer. That is true. Real gamer only codes in C++. You are right. Only real gamers use C++, okay? So, okay. Then we need to get the navigation point. And I think we want... How do we get the... Can we get the last index? Yeah, last. Okay. So we'll call this endpoint. Currently doing my zombie AI in Blueprint as well. I'm wondering how it will work out performance-wise. I'm going for a World War Z style zombies, like running fast and tumbling a lot, yeah. For my first few test zombies, looks quite good, and after many hours of trying out, however, once I raise the number of Zs, we'll see how that turns out, yeah. That's, you know, I mean, my last try was, I was doing root motion, so that was a huge thing. If you're, which I don't know if a lot of people are honestly doing this, but like, my animations, at least, they were good with root motion for the whole entire motion, and that slowed it down a lot. So, like, definitely only use root motion in, you know, moderation. But yeah, like, I guess it depends on how many tasks that they're going to have to do. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't totally experimented with it yet, but this, in theory, should make it better. So we got the character location endpoint. Okay, so if I think we want distance here, right? Or no, we want equals, and with it, okay. So how am I gonna do that then? If I could do equal, or oh, okay. So we take character location equals, I think. Yep, there we go. Okay, and then endpoints with the acceptance radius is tolerant thing. Very interesting. Thanks for that hint on root motion. Yeah, like I learned the hard way. You know, like you could definitely still use it. I wouldn't use it for the entire moving. You know, because that really fucked me up. Making me crave some checkers right now. Oh my gosh, I forgot about checkers. I need to try it, even though I probably shouldn't, but. Okay, so if this is true, we stop correcting the path. So, we are not correcting the path anymore. So, okay. So that goes there, because this will be else right here. Actually, it won't be else. It'll just be kind of a, yeah, okay. So we want to check this now. So we kind of want to do that again. Oh, wait a minute. So, because we want to return here if we do this, I think. I believe, at least. Because this doesn't go anywhere. So, I'm going to return that. Make sure it stops there. Because then this can escape and do this next one. Although it doesn't need to hit it. Oh, this is fucked. The way I have this set up here is kind of... I mean, the way I could do it, actually, is to just check it and then return it, so... let's take this again and put that there and then do... I think target location is what we want. Yeah, target location and then acceptance radius, which we have. But that is undefined now, which I guess maybe I could just do this. Fuck it. This is why I don't make local variables, even though, like, you should, but, you're like, yeah, maybe I don't really need to do this then. Just to get rid of some lines. Okay. So if that's true, we want to finish the execute. So... okay, I think that's good. And then, so if it's not that, though, then we want to do this. So, add movement input. Yeah, okay. So, we need to get... yeah, we want one of these. Oh, interesting. Do I have owner comp in here? I do. Okay. Maybe I'll just copy and paste this in here. because why not? Nice variables to have. So we want the pawn, which I think I'm going to controlled pawn, because that's really what it is. And then... So we want to add movement input. Okay. Forward vector. All right. And then what is it? Oh yeah, we check. This is the error checking. Okay. This is my petty solution to if it runs into a wall. We'll see if this works in the long run. I hope it will, but this is where it's actually going to get complicated because I'm using 2 delay nodes here. But you can't use delays in C++, which is one thing I'm kind of annoyed about, but it makes sense. It's just I'm going to have to use a timer, which is not fun. So, trying to see here. So max, interesting. So controlled on, holy hell. Actually want to do a cast. To character. Walk speed. Just want to store that. Character, ooh, okay, interesting. You character movement component. Where am I going to get that from? Aha. There you are. Throw that in here. Okay, and I think it should take care of that. Okay, so we got the max walk speed. If it's a character, it's a thing that we kind of need to check if this is even a character. So we'll do if is a or controlled on is a character. So if he's a character, then we do this. We'll do max walk speed. Times 0.2. Wait, why am I multiplying it that way? Oh, that's just because if it's 20% of its walk speed. Okay, I see. So if max walk speed, I need to check the velocity. So if actor owner velocity xy, can we, or is that what it is? Yeah, vector. Oh, okay. So velocity. Is that not going to work? I spell that right? Oh, I need to get it. Okay. Get velocity. No. Okay, so then we get the length XY. Can we do that? Length. Hold on. Where is this vector length XY? I wish I could read it, but it's not letting me read it. Probably won't come up with anything. I might have to search it. I haven't joined your stream for a while. That's why I'm not sure about this. Are you implementing lag compensation, server reconciliation, rewind, and stuff like this for movement and shooting? At least for me, that's a hard topic, and I haven't really touched it. Well, at least for lag compensation, the best way to do that is actually keeping, obviously, the main logic to be replicated, but like the stuff like the recoil animation and the sounds and the muzzle flash and all of that kind of be all local so that it doesn't feel like you're lagging. I've kind of realized a lot of other games do that. Where like I'll shoot my gun and if I'm lagging, like I'll still get that instant feedback, but then the bullet will actually not fire right away, or it'll be like delayed. So like even if there's some millisecond delay, like you won't really notice it unless it's like huge. So that's been like my big thing for lag compensation, at least. Okay, where the fuck? Damn it. Where is it, man? Seriously? Vector length. Oh, okay, wait. So T vector length. Yeah, wait, what is a T vector? It's a template vector? I want F vector, though. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, V size XY. I think that's what we want. Yeah, that's what we want. That is such a weird, like, the V size XY. Never would have guessed that. So, is that gonna work? Oh, this is a T vector? Wait, what? This is an F vector, though. Has no member. Yeah, this is the blueprint. Oh, okay, so that's weird. But it has to be static? Does it have to be static? I guess it might be. I don't like that. But I guess it might be the only way. I guess it might be fine for now, whatever. That's just kind of weird. Man, it's getting really hard to breathe down here, man. I'm telling you, it smells so bad right now. It's so funny too, because the the exterminators came and they're like, "Oh, there's no activity here," and I'm like, "Are you sure about that? You sure about that?" I mean, it didn't smell then, and that was like a day or two ago, and now it smells. So, like, it just pisses me off. We're one of those leftover Corona masks. If I had one, I don't have one though. I need a fucking biohazard gas mask. Okay, so if this is less than or equal to max walk speed times, she'll make sure that this is times 0.2. Wait, why is that not working? That should be a float. Oh, wait a minute. Oops. So sad that I'm in France. It's 1 a.m. Can't join your stream. Damn, bro. So are you telling me I gotta stream earlier? I mean, it's literally 5:44. This is early for me. At least streaming wise. All right, we'll see you later, Babito. Oh, you're in Germany. Gosh, so many people all around, man. That's crazy. ASMR untangling UE5 spaghetti code. Yep. Yep. That's what we're doing, basically. Real gamers come from all over the world. I guess you're right. Guess you're right. All right, so if this is true. Oh, okay. Same here. I'm in Uranus. Nice. Yeah. So this is the hard part right here. Because I need a timer. I think, which is so. I hate timers. I fucking hate timers. Really hate timers. But it's like I have 2 delay nodes here, and I needed these because of a certain way that it was working. Huh. Okay. Well, I kind of like forgot how to do timers. Low key. Where else did I use timers in here? Yeah, set timer. So I'm gonna need to have a timer handle in here. So when there's 2 delay nodes, it's acceptable, but a timer is not. Well, delay nodes for me just make more sense, especially when you need a quick and dirty way of like having something like wait a second before it does something. Like this way I have to gotta make a timer handle and so what am I gonna call this? Timer, I guess, reroute threshold, I guess. We'll do handle, so we know this is a handle. I just realized quite a few delays in my logic as well. I know who to ask once I'm ready to move everything. Yeah, it's the thing, when you use delay nodes, you can't use that in C++. So, I mean, you could use timers and achieve a similar effect, but yeah, you just cannot use delays at all. Call utimer a delay node. So, oh yeah, so hold on. Because yeah, we have a retriggerable delay and a delay here. I mean, maybe we can kind of just start doing this the way I think it would work, and then if it doesn't work, we'll figure it out. But it's because just create a delay class that uses a timer and does the same thing. I could, but I don't know, like, because if you use a timer, like, it's technically a specific timer, and if I have to do multiple things at the same time, then I don't know if that would work. Plus, it wouldn't really, I mean, it wouldn't really help me out that much, I don't think. So set timer. In rate should just be, I mean, hold on. I need to see the, God damn it. There's so many definitions for this. Version that doesn't take delegate. In rate, I forgot what in rate was. So in rate, the amount of time between set and firing. Oh. Between set and firing. Okay. All right. So that's just, okay. Maybe I should have known, but. So, well, we had this at 0.5. We don't want it to loop. Yeah, I think that's fine. Can you give a good reason to still use UE5 instead of making your own thing, putting aside the need? Oh, well, I mean, I'd love to make my own thing, but I mean, again, using a game engine saves so much time. I mean, I'm already, this game's already taken too much time, and if I had to make an engine on top of that, I'd never get it done. Like, if I had more people, if I had like a team, then honestly, I probably would. You know, like, and people that like know how to do graphics and stuff like that, then yeah, I probably would. But I'm a one-man shop right now, so like I kind of need all the help I can get. Like I would, but it's not feasible right now for me. And Unreal, the thing I like about Unreal 2 is, I mean, one of the main reasons why I picked it is because it has networking like built in, and I know I want networking in like all the games that I make. So UE5 feels like a lot of time wasted to make things work with it. No, I don't think so. I don't know what you mean by that, because what do you mean by make things work with it? Because yeah, networking though is big. Writing your own engine just does not make sense. If you had 50 people in 10 years, you'd still not come close to a UE5. Yeah, I mean, that is true. I mean, UE5 is huge. Like, I mean, literally UE5 is also UE4. Like, that's the other thing too. People, like, and UE4 has existed for almost 10 years now, if not longer. So literally this engine is like a culmination of like pretty much a decade or longer of work. Definitely longer than that though, because I mean Unreal has been around for forever, like Unreal 1 and 2 and 3 and whatever, but I mean there definitely is major benefits to doing your own engine, like again not having to do royalties and just having your own shit. You know, you can do whatever you want with it, but I don't have the resources for that. When you have a simple idea, I do feel that with your own thing, you could be faster quite often to get the thing done in a nice way without spaghetti code of UE5. See, I mean, I understand the do-it-yourself nature, and it's something that I actually do want to do one day. It's just I feel like if you're a solo dev, I mean, sure, if you're making like the simplest, you know, 2D side scroller, like not anything crazy type thing, no multiplayer, whatever, then it's probably, yeah, I mean, and if you want to learn it, that's probably, you know, a great thing to do. I just, you know, I'm trying to release a game. Not that you can't release a game with your own engine, but it's just I don't have the time. It'd take me years, if not like a whole decade to design a, because I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to that. Like I would have to learn from scratch, and I mean if I knew what I was doing, then maybe I could do it like at a reasonable pace, but especially since I've never done anything like that before, it would just be a nightmare. UE5 is free basically unless you really earn money with your game. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like, it's the other thing about Unreal is royalties is like they're really not that much. Like by the time you have to pay them, like it's not really that big of a deal. It's just that UE5 is old and annoying in my opinion. It's old? I mean, again, I guess it's, you know, it's basically UE4, but I don't know. You know, I mean, again, it is true that there's a lot of stuff in it for sure. But I don't think I think the engine is designed pretty well. I don't think it's that bad. Again, I don't really this is from like a, you know, designer perspective. Like a gameplay designer perspective. Like I don't think that its systems are that bad. Like when you first are starting to learn it, it could be a little convoluted, but if you get into the groove of it, it kind of makes sense. If you think this C++ is modern, you should consider having a look at what modern C++ looks like. Is part of why it's annoying and spaghetti code. I mean, I don't, I mean, I'm not saying that it's modern. I'm just saying that it doesn't bother me. And to me, like, it's confusing at first, but it makes sense to me now. It's not too bad. Is cutting edge tech, so they're ahead of the game, always improving. Yeah, that's the other thing. Like one thing with Unreal is like even with Unreal 5.2, like one of the most latest versions, I think they're gonna come out with 5.3 soon, but I know in 5.2 they added, or at least like a beta version of their procedural content generation, and it's literally like, I mean, they did a I think a GDC presentation on it and everything, and it looks really cool. And it's like the nice thing about Unreal is like that's just part of the engine, you know? Like now it's just there, and you can just use it. You can not use it. You don't have to use it, but it's there if you want to use it, and it's very useful for. I'm definitely probably going to use it in this game because I'm using procedural generation. So it's stuff like that where it's like you don't even have to like build that type of thing from the ground up. You can just start using it. So that's a huge thing about pre-built game engines. That's just really nice. Like again, if you have a full team of people you know, that have a ton of experience with making engines, I think, you know, making an engine probably is honestly beneficial, but, you know, in this situation, I just can't do it. But I mean, I'm not going to say, you know, to anyone who's doing it to not do it, because there are benefits to it, 100%. And and at the end of the day, if it's something that you just want to do, you want to learn it, you want to do it, like, do it, you know, like, fucking do it. I just, for me, I don't think it's, at least right now, it's just not something that's feasible. But I don't think Unreal's too bad so far. I'm actually enjoying it. Okay, so what was I doing? Kind of got on a tangent there, but okay, so we set the timer. So yeah, this needs to work like a retriggerable delay here. So I wonder if I set the timer, will it reset the timer? You know, is there a reset timer? I don't think there is. Unpause timer. Yeah. I think if we just set the timer, like, it'll be fine. I don't think it'll be a problem. Yeah, I don't think it'll be a problem. So we set the timer, and then, oh yeah, so we, oh fuck. See, this is what's going to be annoying. Because then we need to put that delegate. Is there like a documentation page on timers again? Because there's a very specific way of doing this, and I totally forgot. This is blueprints. I'm not doing blueprints. C++. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. Grant. What is with you and the random questions? Repeating function. Oh, okay. So I have to put, okay. So I have to put a function there. Okay. So, oh shit, why is this not working? Did I remove something? Oh, I did that. That's why. Oopsies. Okay, so we need to get reroute path and put that in here, which I'm not sure where it goes. It might go here. Okay, where did it was after to look at the timer manager again. Which one is he using? All right, that's internal set timer. Oh, wait, never mind. I was looking at the right thing. Oh, so I think I have to put in my class. Does that work? Let's handle this. Okay, so I have to do it before the speed. Or the... That work? Bitch. Handle delegate or handle class method. In-rate loop. That should be working. I don't know why it's... Not only they bring new graphics tech, they also constantly improve their networking. Iris can be a huge thing, large-scale games. They also constantly improve performance. Yeah, I won't disturb. That's my opinion. Might be wrong in doing your own thing. But yeah, I mean, yeah, there's you know there's pros and cons to all of it. You know, I don't think there's a wrong way though. You know. I think when it becomes a problem is when you look when you go look at Unity and look at what Unity is doing. You know, apparently they're gonna roll back all the crazy changes they were proposing, but like, you know, again, and that's like a huge plus using your own engine. You don't have to worry about any of that, but you know, so there's pros and cons to it all. Okay. So why isn't this working? I'm doing wrong here. Maybe ChatGPT can help. Where's my yeah? Oh my god, we got a fucking bot in the chat. Fuck it, I'm not gonna fuck around with that. Unity is on the wrong track. Yeah, they fucked up. Unity fucked up, you know? Yeah, G-Man, I totally get where you're coming from. You know, and again, that's one of the big things I totally agree, you know, like if you don't need all the features that Unreal has, it's kind of like, well, why, you know, why do I need it? And you don't. And you know, it could decrease your game size, it can improve performance, you know, if you can streamline it, like it's all good things. So I don't think it's really bad to do it one way or another. There's a small mistake in your timer. When setting a timer, you should not call. Oh, wait, did I fucking. Oh, wait, what did I do? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. I didn't even notice that. Oh, boy. Okay. Well, there we go. So. Hopefully, every time this gets set, it resets this. I'm assuming it will. Actually, let me see. If we call set timer multiple times, will it reset the timer? Similar to a retriggerable delay. I wish there was a game engine lighter, more modern under the hood, in some ways more flexible as an intermediate choice for C++, yeah. I mean, yeah, I do kind of, yeah, because that'd be cool if, like, there is a good, like, just very simple engine that you kind of, like, it's a good starting point, right? You can kind of just like get your feet wet and just start from a good foundation. That'd be kind of cool. Or that UE5 was cleaning their shit. Yes, if you call set timer using the same handle before a timer completes, it'll effectively reset the timer. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So that's doing what we want it to do. Oh, you know what? Okay, so you know what we can actually do here? Because I know why I have that other delay, and it's because this would get called twice. Because it would like sneak in another tick to call on this. So you know what I'm gonna do? So when we do this, we want to stop the timer. So so we'll do I think that one, what was that one function that was in the timer? Get world timer manager. Can I use that? Hey monkey, how's it going? Get world timer manager, isn't that not it? Hold on, that's got to be somewhere. We'll just stay longer and keep chatting with you guys, but I gotta bail out. Have work early tomorrow. So thanks for sharing your stuff. I'll be back on one of your future streams. All right, see you later, Falong, Kuan. You guys gotta have less confusing names, man, because I'm gonna keep fucking it up. But I'll see you later. Okay, where does this come from? References. Okay. Game. Wait, it's in the actor framework? Oh. Oh, okay. So we don't want to do that then. We can just do it the old-fashioned way. Get timer manager. We'll do. Can we do stop timer? Whoops. Stop. Okay, wait. Why is this? Wait. Why is that giving me an error? Why is that complaining? Oh, stop it. Get timer. I don't know what it was whining about. Or no, what? Why is it? Okay, well, hold on. Wasn't I doing that earlier? Oh, because that's not a point. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll clear the timer. I think that's what we want to do. And that's the reroute. Reroute threshold? Yeah. No. Reroute threshold. All right. Okay, so we stop that timer because we don't want it to keep going. That should get rid of the need for this, hopefully. Okay, and then so if we don't get, oh yeah, wait, oops. So if we don't get, fuck. If this isn't a character, then we just do, the actor owner get velocity. Oh, we need to do, yeah, do it this way, because for some reason it is a static function, which is a little weird, but that's all right. And then I think I had it less than or equal to point or 5.0. So should be slow enough. Do I need to put an extra parenthesis here? Am I forgetting something? Yeah. Okay, so if that is that, then we do this. Make sure I'm doing this right. Why is this giving me an error? Why does it want a semicolon? That's a little weird. I don't know why it wants a semicolon there. It shouldn't need a semicolon there, right? Like, what the fuck? Am I crazy, or that doesn't seem right? Actor owner. Absolutely not crazy. Yeah, that's what I thought, man. Hold on, maybe if I put parentheses like here. Oh, what the fuck? Expected a semicolon. Why? I don't know what's going on. Since you're doing a zombie game in your case, in case you're interested in how that comes along, I have a small snippet of my sound work I'm currently doing. You can also get a glimpse of the player controller. Okay, I'll check it out. Probably because he is angry at something else. Oh, hold on. Okay, I am getting a call. Give me one sec. All right, we're back. So I don't know why it's wanting me to put a semicolon here. I'm a little freaked out, but maybe it's okay. Maybe we'll just leave it. I mean, we can put in ChatGPT and see, like. Oh. Try to just compile. Well, I'm just gonna see if I'm missing something obvious. I mean, we could try and compile. See what happens. Nah, it might. It might. It might know. Yeah, see, I knew it. Although, am I having other problems? Like, this doesn't even seem like it's related. Shit, what the fuck's happening? No, hold on. ChatGPT knows everything, man. Do this. So let's see. Else condition in issue. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, if you're using an else, it's just not correct syntax. You're using else if. Wait, really? Am I that stupid? No, but see, I'm not using else if here. Although, oh, fucking hell. No, I do need to put else if because it's not just an else. God damn it. No, so I was doing something stupid. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I was missing the if, man. Cause yeah, I could do it here because I'm not doing it there. Okay, so then what's the other problem? Seeing related to how you're trying to call. You need to provide a pointer to the function as which instance, which that's what I did, I thought. Oh, wait, replace that with a reference. Specifies, okay. See, dude, chat. Watch, this is going to compile now. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, never mind. What effects does doing what you're doing have on the game? Well, this is the most basic move function for the zombie right now. Like the very basic bottom line thing, move from point A to point B. Which is a lot more intricate than you might think. Cannot convert argument. I'm still having an issue. Yeah. Doesn't take any arguments. Try again. Only error that is guaranteed to be real is the first one. That's also. Well, what do you mean? Oh, hold on. So yeah, non-standard syntax. Okay, I thought I fixed that though. Oh, I didn't fix it here. Oh. Whoopsie. I see what I did. Okay. I had it in 2 spots. I didn't fix the second one. Okay. Oh, okay. Joe, are you going to visit ISU? We could go to bars. I mean, maybe. I do kind of want to see your guys' apartment. Because apparently there's already ants everywhere. Okay, what am I looking at here? Okay, so we did this. So that actually, oh yeah, so we need a timer to also kind of, call this every couple of times to make sure we have the right path. So we can actually just do another timer here. So we'll do, just copy this. We'll call this refresh path handle. And it world manager set timer refresh path handle this, and then we want, oh wait, we need to do this on actually no, we can set this on execute, that's fine. So this, and then we just want it to do execute task. Although the problem is we can't really call this. So actually, we might just have to move all this to a to its own function here, I think. No, we are not going to do. Do you still do whippets, Grant? I swear to God. My fuck. You better not be doing whippets. All right, so we'll make a new function. We'll call it blue. All this get navigation. I think that's a good name. Move that here, and then do. Are we using these, by the way? We are not. So actually, I might just get rid of those. But we can just put this yoink and yoink. And then we want to do get navigation instead. That will be, I think, path refresh time. Do I have that as a variable? I should. Yeah, path refresh time. So we want it to loop. Yeah, so true. All right, so we actually can't get this, which is interesting. That's okay. We don't need it. You know, we'll put it here just in case if I ever need it again. But I don't think we will. So that's all good. So this will loop every 2 seconds. We need to clear the timer though. We need to clear and set it when it does this. So I'm going to go back. We're going to clear this timer. Okay. And then if trying to see here. So if this is true, though, we want it to... Yeah, it needs to clear it here as well. Oh, okay, so I need to do it here. That's where I need to do it. So we need to set the timer again. That should take care of that. Okay. That might be it. Like... I think that might be it. Moment of truth. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Oh, it doesn't compile. Oh, cause did I fuck that up again? And not... I didn't do a fucking reference. Oops. Alright. We got nothing. Absolutely nothing. What? Oh, because do we not... Wait, we didn't call this. Or did we? Well, I'm going to call it. Make sure it gets called. Okay, so now he's moving. He's just running forward, though. Interesting. Okay. Wasn't really expecting this to work on first try, but... Our debug isn't necessarily working correctly. Probably because... Is this like the... Is this not loading? I wonder if it's not loading. We'll put a debug here. No, that's not what I want. Yeah, so that's not being able to load, which is interesting. I wonder if I can just get rid of this. I wonder if that's the problem. I don't think so, but... Damn, what the fuck? How did I load? I loaded a blueprint thing before. Yeah, so this is how I did it before. So we're getting the text there. Right? But why is this a pointer? It's a little weird. I just put this in here. I don't think that'll make a difference, but interesting. It's weird because that should be the right path. I wonder if I'll have it like that. Maybe that'll work. Nope. That is kind of weird. Because that's exactly how I'm doing it here, and I don't have a problem with it this way. This is an actor class. Yeah, it's an actor. So the base class is an actor. I mean, I guess this was technically null instead of null pointer. But why would that be a problem? Why is it? It's getting called twice, which is interesting. Am I calling this twice somewhere? Oh, I'm calling it with reroute path. Interesting. But that shouldn't be getting called. That is weird. That is really weird. That's where it's at. Like, utilities, AI, path node. There it is. The fuck? Does it need to have that, like, underscore C? Oh, it does. That's why. Okay, it's really fucking fucked up. I mean, like, it knows where to go. Oh, and is it... Okay. Okay. All right. Array out of bounds. Line 61. Ah. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Oh, are we not... We're not clearing this, I don't think. Could be our problem. Yeah, so we need to set that for Git navigation, I think. So every time this is called, our current point should, in theory, get set to 0. We'll call it here. Null pointer is modern null. Makes no difference. Just better to use null pointer. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because, like, it's just... They use the, Yeah. Where is this even defined at? Yeah, VC runtime. It doesn't really matter, though. Alright. So, I shouldn't crash again. Let me see if it crashes. Doesn't seem like it's going to crash. So, I don't know why, though. It should be refreshing, though, too. That's the thing. Can you stream every day? Not really. Because that would just be tiring. Plus, a lot of, like, the funny thing is, I mean, I love talking to everyone in chat, by the way. This isn't a, but I do get a lot less work done, I feel like, during streams. So, just because I'm talking to people. Not that I don't like talking to people. I just, you know, I do get a little distracted sometimes on stream. But I do enjoy it, though. Like, I'd rather have people here than not have people here. Chat's fault. No, it's not. No. I don't mean it like that, though. I don't mean it like that. It's one thing that does happen a little bit. Why is this a problem? Why is this giving me a problem? Controlled pawn location. Like, is this getting set? Am I gonna have to start adding prints here? Let me see. Just fix it. I'm trying. So yeah, we set it 0 here, but that's actually the interesting thing. Oh, this is weird. Oh, wait a minute. So we set the initial location. What do I call this app? Okay, that doesn't matter. That also does not matter. Okay, so I don't think that matters. For some reason, it's not doing the turn rate, which is a little weird. What's my turn rate, actually? Turn rate is 5. I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck? I get the yaw. Wonder why it's not doing that. Does he get rotated a little bit? Kind of looks like it. Gosh, how do I do play from here? I totally... he just moves forward. Our I feel like our navigation shit might be off. Oh, there's so many problems, dude. What the fuck? I don't even know why, though. And, like, the funny thing is, too, like, this should be getting refreshed. I don't think it is. What should happen instead? Well, he should be running towards me. Okay, so it is refreshing, but then it stopped. Wait, what the fuck? It like all... What in the world? So... Something's fucking up here. With this. Are we clearing this timer? He is sentient. It's too late. It is too late. Ah, we're clearing it. So what the fuck? Why is this happening? Did I set this the wrong way? If it's less than or equal to 20% of the walk speed. Right? I mean, that doesn't seem wrong. Does it have to be the other way around? Because that doesn't make sense. Unless this is way too big, but it didn't seem like it was too big last time. Hold on. So 20%. The length is less than or equal to this. So what the fuck? Kinda cringe. Is it doing it like right away? Pretty much, yeah. Huh. Maybe because it isn't moving. For some weird reason. Try setting the movement input. Oh, you know what? Because possibly for a few seconds this is null. So I think actually this needs to be an else if. So if it exists and it's less than 0, then false. But that's only if that. If it's null, then we just don't do anything. Are you distinguishing the zombie from the rest with the max speed? Well, what I'm doing with the max speed is basically I'm determining if we're getting like the expected speed it should be running at, and if it's less than 20% of that speed, like where it's actually going at, then that means it's stuck. And so then it'll run this like reroute path function that'll reroute it. That's the idea, because I was having problems with it getting stuck on things, and then it just keeps running into the wall. But what the fuck? Wait, did I compile it? Wait, am I stupid? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, wait a minute. Am I stupid? Less than 0? Or wait, if it's less than 0, if it's less than 0, less than or equal to. But that actually shouldn't. If it didn't work then I don't think that's the issue here. Yeah, no, it's what the fuck is happening? Change a random character at a time until it works. What do you mean a random character? Because I think what's happening is he's not moving at first, and so he thinks he has to reroute. That's so weird. It's almost like we're calling this. This gets called a few times, and then hmm. Pick one in your source file, change it by another random character. Test. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean change it by another random character? Unless you're trying to troll me right now, which also could be true. I'm taking that too literally. This could be. Can this be a browser game? No, it cannot. I wonder if we're getting the target object correctly. It's possible that that is not happening. I have a feeling that that might be it. So we have our target here, and it's edit anywhere. It's public. So, I go to the behavior tree. So, like, there it is. Oh, yeah, let's keep an eye on this behavior tree. Oh, we just play in viewport. It's fine. So, interesting. Yeah, I'm trolling. Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know why I didn't catch on to that. I like your running zombie, though. Thanks. But I think we're not getting a location here. Because you'll notice it's 0, 0. Which is not what we want. So I'm pretty sure these would update. So that's weird. Why is that happening? I think that's our problem. Also, it's funny because it's getting called every once in a while. And why does that get called multiple times? Unless something more sinister is happening. Possibly something worse is happening here. Because it's possible that this is that this just keeps like ending, so it doesn't actually get to do anything. Because the weird thing is this keeps firing even though I don't have this timer set, so that's a problem. We'll get rid of this too. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, see, okay, so there's a problem with how this is executing. I wonder if I can just get rid of that. Oh, it's still... I feel like we gotta print this result. Shouldn't matter though. Like, the only other finish execute nodes I have is here and here, and I don't think... Here, let's see if this is getting called. Colon. We are failing. Okay. Interesting. So our navigation path is actually valid, it seems. So I think we only want to fail it if it's that. We're still failing. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this print. But yeah, you can see. Oh, that is so weird. Why is this? It's going straight here. Also gonna, yeah, I'm gonna put. Oh, I already have this rerouting here. Hmm. This is weird. It's like we have it like that here. Or do we? Wait a minute. No, we don't. Or no, no, this is what it is. So length is if it's greater than 0, which basically we're saying if it's less than or equal to 0, then do, which is the same thing. Son of a bitch. That's like, why is this failing? Like, I don't understand. Which makes me think that all right, since I'm kind of lazy, I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT to add in debug on screen prints for if the target object is null, and if it's not null, print out the name of the object location. So I'm doing this right. I feel like I am. Oh, wait a minute. I see a fatal flaw in our fucking fucking thing here. Okay, hold on. Uh yeah, what the fuck? We're not even like putting a for loop here. For oh fuck. Want it for points. Oh, wait, no, we are doing a for loop. Hold on. We are doing a for loop. I'm just not doing the location. So that actually should fix that problem. But that's only for debug, but let me just see. Yeah, okay, so now the debug things are fine. So that does mean then that we are getting the navigation path and its points. It's just, it still doesn't explain why this is failing. So if I get rid of this, that is weird. It's just stuck. It gets stuck on this the entire time. Well, why is that happening, though? I have to set the current point to 1 here. But that means it's not even getting to any of this logic here. I don't think, at least. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but... What the fuck? Why? Why? See if it can print the number of points. Points are 0. Well, why is that? Man, what the fuck? Haven't prayed to Tim Sweeney. I haven't done my praying. Print this. Do this timer. We'll get rid of this printing. Or at least we'll point this to like 0.1. Oh, what? Wait, what happened now? What? Now I'm really confused. So the navigation path isn't valid for like a few frames. It's weird. So does this change? It doesn't change. I wonder if I get close to it, if it'll stop. What? Okay, this is so bizarre. Because, like, it knows it needs to get here, but, like, it doesn't want to turn? And, like, even if I get close to it, although I guess technically it's not the target location. And then why does it stop refreshing? Like, this should be looping. It only doesn't loop once this succeeds, which is so bizarre. Why does it stop the timer? Unless it stops it, because actually that's probably why. I am so, like, at a loss. Because it doesn't ever say rerouting either. That's the other weird thing. If it sets this timer and calls this function, then like you know what? Actually, this should be in the reroute function. Now I'm thinking about it. So now we're not even clearing the timer unless we get in that function. And hey, what's up, Dobrix? Okay, so now we're refreshing. Okay. God, we're not getting rid of the. Hold on, I need to. We need to get rid of that. How do I clear it though? Yeah, for every node and path nodes. Empty. Oh, because we're not adding it. So actually we need to add. There we go. All right. So, okay, so now it's refreshing. And it's getting the path. Although the line trace is being a little weird. It shouldn't be doing that, I don't think. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it kind of bothers me at the same time. What was I doing before? Line trace by channel, visibility. Whatever. It's not a huge deal. It's just for debug anyway. But yeah, like it knows, and it's doing it from there. Like what? Oh, what the fuck is happening? So it actually isn't rerouting though, so that's good to know. I think part of the problem is this isn't working like at all, which is kind of weird. It's going on well. This is some weird shit. I wonder if I should take this interp and put it just in the set actor rotation. What's the theme purpose of the stream? Well, we are working on getting this zombie to move again the right way. Which clearly he's not. But we're getting there. He's just running into the abyss. I wonder if he'll fall off. Like, the pathing is, like, working, but, like, he's not turning. I wonder if I could get him to his destination. Oh, no, he just runs into me. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, shit. I pressed the wrong button. Fuck, what is the button again? There it is. Okay, well, it's too late now. Oh, shit. So it's like seemingly everything is working, but it's not at the same time. It's so weird. Wonder if actually if the Z-axis. Hold on. Am I putting this in the wrong spot? I don't think so, but we'll see. Should probably extract a lot of code from that function to make it testable. Yeah, maybe. I know. I'm not a big person on like oh, see, that didn't work. Hold on. Need to know what this struct. Yeah, so the yaw should be the second one. Well, maybe to make sure that I'm setting the yaw, we do look at rotation. Because if we do F rotator constructor, like so pitch yaw roll. Okay, so I think yeah, it is the second one. That's what I thought. So then what the fuck? we should print our target rotation here. I'm gonna print it though. F string. Fuck. F string. Rotator. Can I? See, how do I convert string to string? Oh, okay. Don't use ChatGPT for Unreal. No, actually, it doesn't. It actually gets a lot of stuff right more than wrong. Surprisingly enough, because thing is, like, I mean, they are changing it a little bit, but for the most part, it's actually pretty up to date because they don't change it that much. The API. Sometimes they do, but I mean, the worst thing that could happen is the compiler will tell you, "Hey, this is deprecated," and you're like, "Oh, okay." Why did I do that? I do use the documentation too. I just use ChatGPT when I'm lazy. Okay, so we are getting it. Right? Because that's 90. Yeah. So we are getting the right look at. So what the fuck? Oh, and weren't we gonna... We're gonna do something here. I don't want to copy all of this, but... Yeah, I want this. Yeah, okay. So I want that as well. Just so I know if it's getting the location. Okay, well, we don't need that print anymore, so let me get rid of... Comment this out for now. You ask about gameplay ability system, it messes up. Yeah, oh, okay, yeah. See, I don't know, because that's the thing. Gameplay, I'm sure like stuff that's been updated recently. It's not gonna know, but okay. So we are getting the location because if I go over here, it should be close to 0. Yeah. So does it ever start off? Yeah, target object is null. Okay, so the location is right. Let's print the current pawn rotation. Oh, wait, what? Why is it printing that? Change this like 1 second. Current pawn rotation is changing as I move. So maybe we're setting the wrong actor? Let's try controlled pawn. Is it working? Hey, it's working, I think. I mean, he's running towards me now. All right. So wait, let me look at the thing is it's not like the debug is like fucked up. Okay, so okay, so we need to get this. It's not enough to just get actor owner, which is very weird. But I guess okay, fine. So where am I using actor owner? Because we need to replace that. Right. So this needs to change. Fuck, actor owner. This needs to change. That needs to change. Change. So why are the debug nodes being weird though? Right, hold on, I gotta piss. Give me 1 second. Fuck, I'm stuck. My chair's stuck. Okay. So this actor owner I think is fucking with me here, because I thought that'd be enough, but I think so it's a cached owner of the behavior tree component, which might not be the actual like pawn. So let's see. Let's go to. I need to go to the base of this. So I think we want to get AI owner and then get the pawn from that. So view AI owner and do get, what was it? Is it like get pawn? Yeah, get pawn. I might make this into a variable later, but for now, we'll just do this. So that's that. Get character, that's fine. So where else am I using actor owner? So I'm using it here at get navigation. Okay, so that's a problem. Because I think it's cached, and that's why it doesn't want to work. So is that it? Hopefully that's it. That's it. I think this is fixed. Should be, at least. We'll see what the behavior tree is doing. Oh. Okay, now now I broke it even more. Interesting. That was interesting. Damn it. So how did that fucking happen? How did that happen? Why is it going back? Wait, what? Oh shit. Oh fuck. God. We're so close. Okay. 84 out of bounds array. Interesting. Array index out of bounds 2 from an array of size of 2. Son of a bitch. So, in order to prevent crashes here, I'm going to just do if num. So we'll do this in its own little bool here. So if the number is greater than the current point, then we're not going to crash. But that's weird how that's even happening. We should probably do a warning if that is happening. So int. Okay. Let's see. Where's my behavior tree? Bada bing, bada boom. It like instantly, that is so weird. It reroutes. Huh. Why is it? Fuck. It reroutes. Why does it reroute? Oh, wait a minute. So, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so this needs to be changed around. Okay. So now the debug's working, and he gets to me and it stops. It's gonna keep refreshing because it's the only thing it can do, but so if I move, and now I'm gonna try and get it stuck. Usually it can get stuck right here, so I'm gonna see if I can get it stuck. See if it'll reroute. Okay, so oh. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay, I think I might know what's happening. So because I don't know if we have to reset the current point, I think, when we reroute. So successful. But this is just getting the reroute location. So yeah, so current point needs to be 1 here. Okay. So if we go here, get it stuck. Where is it? Why does it? Okay, so it's getting there, but it's not stopping. So, so yeah, where's my reroute thing? So is correcting path. Get the last point. Because it's almost like this isn't even going off for some weird reason. Oh, we're so close. We're so fucking close. Like... Unless this is happening and I need to do that. I need to uncomment that. Possibly. Yeah, actually that might be it. That could be it. And we'll call it. Oops. Okay, I think it's working now. Although the turning is like instant. It is like instant. So our rotation is a little... Our interp is fast? Are you rewriting your whole project in C++ or this AI? Well, I'm trying to write the whole thing in C++. Pretty much. I do the prototyping in Blueprint and then move it. Which I mean, I don't know. I mean, Blueprint's just nice to prototype stuff, though. Okay, so I'm wondering then if I need to do it the way I was doing it before. Do it this way. Yeah, I love blueprints. Blueprints are nice, man. I do have to say. I just wish, you know, I mean, A, it does get a little hectic when you have a lot of logic, and B, the performance can be rough sometimes. But they are nice. Okay, so it's like he has no turn radius anymore. Bitch. Our turn rate shouldn't be that. It's the same turn rate I had before. Winning. Why is that happening? I put this way down. Could try that. Okay, so that's so weird. The turn rate was too high, but it wasn't too high in Blueprint. That's weird. That is so weird. Okay, wait. Oh no, get stuck. Damn it. Get stuck. Yeah, so interesting. Yeah, see the way it reroutes, I don't know. Okay, so that's a little slow. I'm gonna make it so we'll turn this back to turn rate. Oh fuck, I didn't want to compile. But we'll make this, I guess, like 3.5. Oops. Oh fuck! Wait a minute. That's why I had it set. Oh my god, I had it overridden in the behavior tree. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. I had a feeling that might have been the case. I was like, but I had it set for 200. Yeah, that'll be too fast. Yeah, it's better now. All right. So, as far as our reroute, god damn it. As far as our rerouting logic goes, like, yeah, I mean, possibly we might want to make the distance a little higher. Distance, yeah. So distance, it's a random range from 150 to 200. Might just increase this to 200 to 250 or 350. Yeah, the problem is when there's a wall like that, and yeah, it goes by. Yeah, this is. Yeah, see, I don't know how good that's gonna be in the long run. Well, we might have to think of something else for that, but maybe for now it'll be okay. We'll have to scheme something up though for that. But she's working now, which is nice. Took a lot longer than I wanted it to take, but you know what? That's all right. At least it's working now. Oh boy. All right. Goddamn. A lot of shit went down. So I think I might call it here for the night because I'm getting tired and my room smells like rat. I need to figure that out. Get the exterminator back over here because man, it's always towards the fall and winter. They love to get into the house and just die. Die in the walls. It's so weird. Anyway, so yeah, I might call it for the night, but thank you guys for coming. I know it's been a while since I last streamed, but I just thought I'd take a little break because I was getting a little tired. But yeah, man, thank you, G-Man, for coming along and everybody else. I should be back soon. It shouldn't be that long this time. Because what, it's been like 2 weeks. I took a little break from the stream, but I should be back sometime this week though. Let's hope, because it is Wednesday, so yeah. I should be back sometime. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. And yeah.